Hi, I'm Julianna, and I'm Weeki Wachee's newest mermaid. So I'm from Spring Hill, Florida. I was born and raised here, so I've been coming to Weeki Wachee all my life. And I actually wanted to audition to become a Weeki Wachee mermaid because Mermaid Christy, I've been friends with her for about 10 years, I think going on 10 years this year. And ever since she started working here, she's been trying to convince me forever to try to get to here to work with her because, you know, we're best friends. And yeah, here I am. It's very fun. Yeah, so when I was younger, since I only lived about 10-15 minutes away, I came to Weeki Wachee to swim a lot. I saw the mermaids a lot. Honestly, not as much as I hoped I did, because I don't have any photos with any mermaids, which is really unfortunate, but it's very fun. It's a really magical experience knowing that there's a spring so close to home where I grew up. The day of my first show was very nerve-wracking, if I'm being honest. I got to invite my parents here to come and watch me swim. It was exciting but very nerve-wracking at the same time, but once I got in the water, I feel like most of the nerves went away, and it was just like any other day of me swimming in the spring. So when I'm not being a Weeki Wachee mermaid, I love to draw and paint. I like watercolor painting. And I also really love to just hang out with my friends and my family outside of work, and I love antiquing. That's like my favorite hobby. I'm so excited to be a Weeki Wachee mermaid, and I hope you come and see me swim.